Welcome back to Chris Hairfire. So this is me showing you how I achieved this beautiful braid on this very short natural hair. So to start with, I first of all go and make my part. Then I'm just taking that front a little bit and I divide it into three sections and I start braiding. The reason why I am pushing the hair behind before braiding is to protect her front line from breaking. So I braid down twice to three times. You can braid down twice or three times. Then you start feeding it. You start feeding the hair with smaller portions of braiding hair extension, and then you continue braiding. As you braid, you feed it in. So the process just continues as we get to the end. So if this is your first time coming to my channel, you are welcome. And if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe and turn on your notifications so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be instantly notified. So this hair was so challenging to braid because it is natural hair and the hair is also short and she has very strong hair. Yes, so it was so challenging and getting to the finishing part of it, the her natural hair was kind of like popping out since it's natural and short, but I used my gel to mold it and we got the best we could. So this is it, and we just keep braiding and feeding in the hair. So I'll leave you to watch the video is self-explanatory. So just watch and I'll see you before the video finish. And if you're not subscribed, please do and turn on your notification button. If you need to share the video with somebody, do share. Thank you, and let's keep watching. So I am patting the hair with warm water in my towel, not too warm, so that to relieve the tension and the stress on the hair is so soothing and satisfying, so that the hair will not remove those rashes. Though I didn't tighten the hair that much, it's just so soothing. I just like how it feels. So after doing that, I put my styling balls and spray the hair to shine, and voila, this is what we got, and the result was good. See you in my next one. Bye.